കലാപരിപാടികൾ തുടങ്ങാൻ ആരംഭിക്കാൻ.
Let me introduce 5 categories of wooden flooring which can be used as flooring material in our home, hotels, resorts, etc. 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 The first one, let me introduce HDF laminated wooden flooring. As the name suggests, it's a laminated flooring on HDF. HDF means high density fiberboard which is made from wood. On top of the HDF, there is a photographic image will be laminated. The second one is engineered hardwood flooring, which comes under the luxury segment. Low density wooden panels are multi-layered like plywood. The third one is solid hardwood flooring. It also comes under the segment luxury segment or premium segment, which is a full body material. Usually comes under the 18 mm thickness. Fourth one is SPC flooring. The core material is SPC, which means stone polymer composite, which comes usually in 4 mm thickness. The last one is LVP, luxury vinyl planks. It is a PVC material, usually comes in 3 mm thickness. It is most affordable and cheapest material in wooden flooring. ഇതൊക്കെ നിങ്ങൾക്ക് റാസ്കോന്റെ കുളപ്പുറത്തെ ഷോറൂമിൽ വന്നു കഴിഞ്ഞാൽ എക്സ്പീരിയൻസ് ചെയ്യാനും പർച്ചേസ് ചെയ്യാനും കാണാനും ഒക്കെ സാധിക്കുന്നതാണ്.
ഇത്രയുള്ള നീ ഞെട്ടിപ്പിച്ചോളൂ.